Hello, today we are solving October 2022 IAL Unit 2 question number L. When the end of the financial year was approaching, the directors of Beddokk Supermarket PLC were deciding how to reward the shareholders. The directors had to choose between paying a dividend or issuing a bonus share. So the directors finally decided to reward the shareholders by paying a final dividend. Evaluate the reason for the directors to reward the shareholders by paying a final dividend rather than issuing bonus shares. So you have to evaluate between them. So whenever you are issuing a dividend, okay, the shareholders are going to be happy because it's an extra cash of the money they are going to receive from the profit. Percentage of profit is given as dividends to the shareholders, and they will try to buy more shares. Okay, but however the share price, okay, also the share price is also probably, if the bonus shares are issued, there are more shares in the, so if you are going to issue bonus and the share price might rise, so those are the reasons why you are issuing dividend. Okay, and the price of the share price might fall, okay, if the bonus shares are issued. Okay, it might fall, share price fall because of if bonus shares are issued. Bonus share is issued, okay, because the number of shares is going to reduce, so the price per share will fall. Okay, this is about the dividend. But however, if you are issuing bonus shares, that means the shareholders are getting more shares, more number of shares. Okay, the number of shares is more, okay, is more, so they are again happy that the future dividend payments will be high. Okay, that's why they will expect more future dividends to happen. They have that, but and it is also suitable if the company doesn't have enough cash to make the dividend, to make the shareholders happy, it can issue bonus shares. So that's why let's see how the answer goes. Okay, how are you going to answer? So the points for, okay, statements for paying a final dividend. So points for which is positives, okay, or the positives for paying final dividend are, positives for paying final dividend to the shareholders are, so first one, shareholders are going to receive a cash when the dividend is paid, which they can use, which they can spend how they wish. Okay, and also if the healthy dividends are paid, the market may like this, and this may cause the share price to rise. Okay, so their share price can also rise because more people are buying, so it can result in the share price rise. Okay, share price will increase. So these are the advantages of giving dividends. So but if you were to choose, however, if you were to choose bonus shares, then share price will fall. Okay, because the number of the shares in the market will increase, so the share price is going to fall. For the same cost, more number of shares, liquidity, okay, of the number of shares is increasing, so share per price is going to fall. So what are the points for issuing bonus shares? So shareholders, or the positives, okay, positives or the advantages, okay, advantages of issuing bonus shares for company, for PLC are, okay, what are the advantages? We can see that the shareholders may be able to look forward to more dividends in the future as they are holding more number of shares, so more dividends they can expect. And if there are no or as such, when you issue bonus share, no funds are going to leave the PLC. So the funds, cash doesn't leave the company. So the company may have, if the company especially has a liquidity problems or it is short of cash, this is very beneficial. And if you pay dividends, okay, that means you will see the funds leaving the company. Okay, if you issue bonus shares, you will see that no funds are leaving the company, whereas if you are going to issue dividends, then funds are leaving the company. So however case, you have to give one however. Okay, however, you have to, in comparison, you have to always write one negative point about the other pointer you are arguing. So in conclusion, you can say that some shareholders would prefer to receive cash at present time when paid a dividend. Some shareholders would be happy to receive bonus shares now with larger dividends in the future. So what is the decision? So the decision of the shareholders to reward the shareholders by paying a final dividend, okay, will make them happy either way. So instead of bonus shares, might make shareholders happy. It is going to make the shareholders happy. So company issued dividends, final dividends, okay, to keep the shareholders basically happy, and also it benefits the company, okay, and also it cash doesn't you can say also protects share price in the market. So this is the